Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. The AGIX chart reveals still that the price is moving up in a corrective fashion there, so we're going to zoom in a minute. We'll start with the bigger picture. That's unchanged. We have either an ABC top here at around 70 cents that price topped in 3 waves and is now slowly coming down in 5 waves. That would be bearish, but it would need one more low for that below the 15.7 cent level. Or if price can really find support and avoid another low, or at least avoid to sustain below the 15.7 cent level, because that's really what it's about, then I will count that as a wave 4. The key pivot point really between a bullish interpretation of the chart and a bearish interpretation, which is the yellow wave count, is the 15.7 cent level. This is the bearish interpretation. Wave 1 to the downside, ABC structure to the upside in a wave 2, wave 3 down, wave 4, wave 5, eventually heading to new lows. Doesn't mean it couldn't rally again. It could then rally in a wave 2, but it would be assumed that the next rally is going to be corrective and price might not move to new all-time highs anymore. But at the moment, if we zoom in, price isn't really giving us much confidence, or it doesn't really seem very convinced that it wants to move up much higher. It's now reached the top, the upper boundary line of that descending price channel here. Yeah, so that's a key level, it's a key point here. And in my opinion, if we can see a break above the descending price channel's upper boundary line, the price could move quite quickly to the 22.4 cent level. But it will depend on the structure. This currently is looking very, very corrective. So I'm not happy with the structure. I'm just pointing out a breakout could lead it to 22.4 cents. A break above that level, most likely to the next swing high at 28 cents. And from there, probably to the next one at 32.5 cents, which is also the 50% retracement level. Now, it will depend on how it looks structurally to really say, okay, we might be in the yellow count or the white wave count, but I will give the white wave count let's say primary consideration. I will consider that the leading wave count as long as the price can avoid to drop below 15.77 cents. Very, very important, right? So yeah, only a 3-wave top so far. We can get 5. If we get 5, it would be good long term for the chart. But at the moment, it really all depends on that 15.77 cent level. Just be aware the move up looks corrective. We are still below the trend line, but it is a very, very important decision point right now. That's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, or X, how they call it now. And you find the links for those in the video description. And as a channel member, you get access to a weekly live stream. Every Sunday we do it. It's always educational. There's a lot of educational content on Discord and Telegram. As a gold member, you get additional market updates, short-term market updates. Yeah, and feel free to check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.